Thirikari nene ni yugite tayari kwambĩrĩria mũtaratara ya social health insurance kwambĩrĩria mweri wa October tariki 1 kinya kitiraninde kwina mathina kathumba yararũmĩrĩte mũbango yo mno kĩrĩa memba bara baichandĩkithĩtie bakĩarĩ na kĩbandĩto bitha kuma kĩrwangĩro gima nĩ batarĩrĩtie antu bara baichandĩkithĩtie nĩ milioni 1.2 indi baina wirigiro mũbango yo ambĩrĩria bwo nĩ bakethira bakiongeleka ningwani ndindranite Ronaldo. Serikali nene likithĩtie tayari kulikithia mũtaratara yo mweru yogima kwambĩrĩria tariki 1 mweri twethete. Mũkarigĩtie wa Social Health Authority kana SHA akĩarĩwĩte kũteithĩrania kwĩna wamba nonto mũtaratara yo kethira yitumaira mũtambo yo kinendi kinya kĩrĩ kũrĩa macibitari.
Yes, there is always the fear of fraud. But what we need to keep in mind is we have said everything that SHA will be doing will be digitized. So meaning you will have to have people, in as much as they have not registered, for you to claim through the digital system.
Antonia Kiem, Minister wa Gimande na Ndeguru ya Kenya Ndaitari Dibora Barasa na rombete ndo angi mwanya kuatanira na ministry kienda kombe de mubango yo kulika.
And again, our collaboration with stakeholders, the governors, among others, is really vital and critical for the success of this. So I call you, even media, please join us so that we can roll this out and we can have Kenyans having affordable, accessible quality of care.
Gelete na kuaba geta na mbere kwandikithia kinya nyuma ya tariki 1 kendo tigira kinya bonde bakukuma mubango ne yo.
We will continue monitoring the SHA rollout. We will continue improving the system. We will address the funding gaps and enhance digitization efforts to improve healthcare delivery and data management in Kenya.
Mwerekeri munene wogima ande ni Ndeguru Kenya Daitari Patrick Amoth nongelete na kuwa bakawatanira na ataalamu bakuma Ndeguru ne chome kenda ko yanotungata kire akenya bonde
of foreign healthcare providers, so that services that are available in country then can be provided in a structured way. We will be able to negotiate with the foreign providers of these services and come up with figures that are agreeable and are in line with the international standards to ensure that we get value for money for our investment.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njoki uranowe mukarigite wa kamiti ogima kirikanja magavana awete batumira ntaira na njira chondeire ikombeka kendo tira Kenya ne bawichandikithia ke mubango yu
ne wa Kenya ngimro matandikithitie ni tuije Kenya metharwa mari anto resilient ne mere tamuno last minute ana ende kura tuona makregister ndakigia mwisho tax ni the same ini nono tuni afya yao nitamaoria nimeregister na twauga turi counties no tutumire binu cionde no tutumire gento gitagwa stick and carrot tukauga services iria cionde wendaga thiini wa kuma kwa thirikari no tugute muntu mwegania ankiomba kuga agekara ati kuona ati na huduma nere kwa thirikari pero nenkro huduma ya thirikari ile tukwenda with register kwa SHA. Ugo no kwenda basari register kama SHA. Ugo no kwenda kunengerwa mbeu ya ng'ombe yaku ni thirikari ya artificial insemination register SHA. Ugo no kwenda kunengerwa ID card register SHA. Ugacha kugo no kwenda huduma yothe ya thirikari. Tonkienda kuwa mbere kucheki kana no register SHA kenda thirikari imenya kuri ori.
Ari ya Kenya milioni 1.2 ne babariketie gwichandikithia.